Hello friends, welcome to the Careers in Consulting channel. So in today's video, we will discuss about how you can set up your home office. Because if we realize in the current times, lot of people, they are working in the hybrid mode. So hybrid mode is the new normal, we all know that. And in the hybrid mode, 2 or 3 days in the week, you are working from the office and the remaining days you are working from your home. And on the days when you are working from the office as well, you may be taking some calls in the evening from your home. So these calls may be your client calls. So if we see during the work week, for a good amount of time, you may be working from your home. Now, if we see how people are working from their home, so people are taking calls from anywhere. So sometimes they are sitting on the bed, or sometimes they are just lying on the bed. Sometimes they are sitting on the sofa, or again lying on the sofa. So like this, they are not having a proper office setup at their home, and due to this they are having a lot of back pain issues as well, because when you don't sit in a correct posture for long amount of times, it can lead to some back pain issues. Also, a lot of people, they are doing multitasking. So maybe they are taking office calls and in the background the TV is on, maybe some cricket match is playing on the TV, so they are doing multitasking between calls and watching the cricket match. Now you have to realize that your company is noticing when you are doing multitasking, and it will affect your performance appraisals as well, because you have to realize that especially during the calls, it becomes very evident that you were doing multitasking, right? So because during the calls, it may happen that your boss will suddenly call you out. So your boss will say that, hey Rahul, what are your thoughts on this question? And then when Rahul is not paying attention, maybe Rahul is doing multitasking, then Rahul will say that, oh sir, dear boss, what was your question? Sorry, I was not listening. So your boss will know that, okay, you were not paying attention, you were doing multitasking. And a lot of people have this kind of mindset that, hey, we are working from home today. So when we are working from home, we don't need to follow any particular method of working. We will just sit anywhere, we will do multitasking. And this is the kind of mindset a lot of people have. And again, you have to realize that when you are not paying attention during these calls, it may affect your performance appraisals as well, because your manager, your boss will know about it. It is very evident when you are doing multitasking during these calls. So the clear recommendation from me would be, have a proper home office setup at your home as well. And in the next pointers, I will discuss about how you can set up your home office. I will discuss about all the details, what are the things that you need to install in your home office, and I will discuss about all the practical aspects regarding the same. So firstly, have a separate room which you set up as your home office. So this room will be dedicated for your work tasks only, right? And if you cannot have a separate room dedicated to your work, have a separate area dedicated for your work. So do not work from your bedroom or do not work from any place. Have this proper home office setup in that particular room, or have that area which will be dedicated for your work. Now, the things which you need to install, or the things which you need to bring in this home office setup are, firstly, have a very good table and an ergonomic chair. So ergonomic chair, and I'm not providing the names of any companies here, but you can find some really good ergonomic chairs where your back posture will be straight, right? And you will be able to sit on this ergonomic chair for long hours as are required in your company, and you will not face any back pain issues. And similarly, go for a good table, so that have a good table and chair setup, so that you are sitting with your back posture as straight, and you will not face any back pain or neck pain issues if you have a good chair and a good table. And in terms of chair, I can recommend that you can go for some gaming chairs. In the market, you can find some really good gaming chairs at good prices as well. and it is very easy to sit on these gaming chairs for long hours. So these gaming chairs are built for gamers who are supposed to sit in these chairs for 16 hours, 18 hours in the day, right? So definitely if you are working for 9, 10, 12 hours in the day, you can ensure that you are having a good posture for yourself in this chair. Second thing which you need to bring in is have proper lighting in that home office. And some calls you will know beforehand that during these calls you may be asked to switch on your video, you may be asked to switch on your camera. So wear proper clothes before these calls. So a lot of people, what they do is they don't have proper lighting from where they are taking the call. So they are sitting in very dark place, or they are just sitting against the lighting. So in these calls, so there are some calls where you know that your boss will ask you to switch on the camera. So these may be some practice connects or some team calls. So again, in the middle of the call, your boss will say that, hey, everyone, let's switch on the video, let's switch on the camera. Now, out of those 30, 40 or 50 people in your team, only on an average 5 to 6 people or something like that. So 5 to 6 people will switch on their cameras. 2 or 3 of them will not be having the proper lighting or will not be in the correct clothes as well. They may be in very, very casual home clothes. And couple of people, they will be having proper lighting. They will be in the correct attire as well. And these people get highlighted. Right? So if you want to get highlighted in your team as someone who is very, very professional, during these calls, go in professional attire and have a proper lighting, so that when your boss will ask you to switch on the camera, so you will be highlighted that, okay, this person, even when he or she is taking the call from home, this person is having the correct lighting, this person is in the correct attire. So this is how you can get highlighted in your team as a very good professional employee. Moving on, number 3, have the best internet connection in your home office. So if you see, in 1000 rupees you can get a very, very good internet connection. So I would recommend go for a really good, really fast internet connection, so that you don't face bandwidth issues in your home office. Because in your corporate, you will listen from a lot of people that we are facing some bandwidth issues, so we were not able to complete this task, or we were not able to switch on the video because we were facing some bandwidth issues. And point number 4, for catering to the power outages in your area, have a power backup like an inverter in your home, so that whenever there is a power outage, you are able to work without any loss of connectivity. So point number 3 and 4 are very, very important, because when people complain about having bandwidth issues at their home, when people complain about power outages at their home, then the boss will ask them to come to office. So then the boss says that, hey, Rahul, you are facing a lot of bandwidth issues at your home. You are facing a lot of power outages at your home. Why don't you start working from office? Why do you have to work from home if there are so many issues? Right? So your boss will also call you out to come to the office if you are facing these kind of bandwidth issues, if you are facing power outages. So it is very, very important that you have a good inverter as the power backup at your home, in your home office, and also you have a very, very good internet connection, so that you are never getting disconnected due to bandwidth issues. It is really important when you are working in the hybrid mode. And you may have to spend some money on procuring these things, but trust me, the money spent on these things will be totally worth it, because hybrid is there to stay. It will be there for the foreseeable future. So you can easily invest, you can invest in these things without thinking about that, oh, maybe after 1 month I'll have to go back to office. Right? So hybrid is there to stay for some time. So I hope you will try to implement these pointers, these solutions, and you will set up a very good home office for yourself, so that you don't face any issues when you are working from home, and you are highlighted in your team as well as a very good professional. And again, these things will ensure that your appraisals are the best in your team and you are recognized as one of the star employees at your workplace. So I hope you like the content in this video. Do like it and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next one.